Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I'm going to do a watercolor. It's been a really long time since I've used my watercolors, and you wouldn't know it for looking at that palette. It's quite a mess, but that's kind of how I leave it. I'm a messy watercolor painter, what can I say? This is just an abstract, just messing around, playing. Tried to limit my colors to just a few. And not really having a particular vision in mind. In fact, I start this out vertically like this, and then it ends up horizontal. But really, I'm just making marks on paper and seeing what it turns out to be. So once I do that, I rotate it around to see what it looks like and what orientation I want it in. And I'm not seeing it right now. I don't know if you guys can see it already. I was thinking I could turn it into some sort of landscape, but it was actually after I finished painting that I see it. Can you before I tell you at the end of this, what do you see when you look at this picture? So, you know, they say your mind wants to relate the things it sees to something that you already know. So, do you see it yet? Does it look like a landscape with like multiple suns? Maybe Tatooine? No, it looks like a race car. It took me a while to see it, but it is totally a race car. It's got problems with its wheels, but that's what it is. Well, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.